Some days you just need a quick lunch, and oftentimes on those days you just grab a pack of cold cuts and some cheese and throw together a sandwich. But you do have a grill, don't you? So why don't you use it and really elevate that cold cut sandwich into a crispy, delicious panini? To make this, begin with a slice of bread. Something like a rye or a sourdough will be perfect. Regardless of what you use, we do need a little bit of sandwich glue, aka cheese. Today I am using some shredded raclette cheese. I have featured raclette Swiss cheese on this channel in the past before, and you may remember that it is a very nice melting cheese. But use whatever you like. Regardless of the type of cheese you use, lay that on top of your bread. You're going to want to layer out a good amount because this is what's going to hold your panini together. Next up, your cold cuts. Today, I'm going to be using some roast beef that I picked up from my deli counter. Try to lay it all out evenly on your sandwich. You don't want any lumps like so, because then the sandwich won't cook and crisp up evenly when it hits the grill. That's better. Now, it's at this point you would often lay out your condiments like mayo or mustard, but instead I'm going to opt for some coleslaw today. For one, it has mayo and mustard in it already, and for two, the shredded cabbage in the coleslaw adds a little bit of crunchiness. And now, time for some more cheese. Remember, this is shredded Swiss raclette cheese, and it's needed to hold this panini together. And that's it for our panini, so grab your other slice of bread and cap this all off. Now that said, before we hit the grill, we want to butter the top and bottom of our sandwich. Don't skip this step. This is absolutely the key to getting a nice crispy panini on the grill. And remember, you do need to butter both sides, so carefully flip your sandwich over and repeat the process. Now we're ready for the grill, so let's head on out to the deck. Today I'll be using my Weber Q1200. It has been preheating for the past 10 or 15 minutes. That said, turn your gas knob to low and then lay your panini directly across the grill grates. It's important to turn it to low because you don't want the butter to burn. Now, in an ideal situation, you would use a grill press to press down on your panini, but I'm going to use this mini cast iron skillet. It basically does the same thing. The weight of the cast iron will help all the ingredients push together, and as the cheese melts, helps hold the whole sandwich together. Okay, after 3 minutes on the grill, we could give our panini a flip. It can be a little bit delicate at this point, so use a second spatula or second set of tongs if necessary. There we go. Not too bad, only lost a little bit of coleslaw. Now grab your grill press or mini cast iron again, lay it on top of your panini, shut the lid and let that cook on that second side. 2 to 3 minutes later, for a total of 5 or 6 minutes of total grilling time, your panini should be ready to come on off the grill. So carefully remove that weight from the top of your sandwich and lift that sandwich off the grates. Once we're back inside, you'll see we've got some great grill marks on our buttered bread, and you can see some of that raclette cheese starting to ooze out of the bread as well. And you'll be able to see it even better once I cut this sandwich in half. So here we are with the big reveal. Take a look. Doesn't that just look absolutely delicious? I told you, you'll never go back to regular cold cut sandwiches again. This doesn't even take any extra time to prep. All it requires is a little bit of time on your grill. This crunchy, gooey sandwich goes perfectly with a side of chips. Now, how's that for lunch? Thank you very much as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye!